Evening, my good people. You can see here I'm trying to weed my kitchen garden. As you can see, I've tried to grow a mixture of vegetables. Here we have the kales. We have the kales here. We have the African shade. We have managus here coming up. My people, these are fruits. These are fruit trees. You can see the hustle, my good people. You can see the farming I'm trying to do. The farming, and these are pumpkins. These are pumpkins here. A lot of African shades. In Kenya we call them managus. Managus are here. We have the spinach. You can see the spinach here. This one here. These are spinach, but mostly here we have the African. We have got the managu, the black shade, nightshades. Nightshades here. It's a hustle. We are trying our level best to make the ends meet. And behind here, the garden is behind the living structures. The kitchen farming is behind the living structures. We have some few rooms here for where people are staying, and you can see really struggling. This is my garden. The garden is the kitchen garden. Is not all that big, but as the time goes, God willing, I will have a farm. I will have a bigger farm. And you can see the kind of the fence. We have here. That's the other end is my neighbors. Living area, their houses and so forth. And see, you can see yourself trying to come up with a garden kitchen due to the economic hardships in our country. The hardships in our country has forced most of us to come up with these kind of gardens in order to make the ends meet for our kitchen. You can see that is manure. I'm trying to make the compost manure for my plants. So you can see these are also the spinach. I'm trying to come up with an organic farming, whereby the organic farming is whereby you don't use any kind of chemicals. Organic farming is the best, and it's very healthy. You can also see I have a mixture of even the beans. All this. But what is happening right now because of the climate change, the African shades here, they have been infected. That's why you see that they are closing their leaves. All this needs to be uprooted. And needs to be replanted. That is to say, we have to buy the seeds. We have the seeds to germinate and then prepare this piece of land, and I plant again. They help a lot of people here because they come and buy, whereby I make a few coins. These are tomatoes. All this I'm doing this due to the economic hardship. The economic hardships in this country of ours, Kenya. That's why it has forced me to work very hard and to come up with this kind of a garden. Please, my people, subscribe for me. Subscribe, I beg you, good people, wherever you are, whoever will be watching my video. Subscribe, my people. Subscribe, my people. Here it rained, and the water from this particular channel we are penetrating to the houses, and that's why we have attempted, or we have tried our level best to cement in order to prevent further further flood, the water, in order for the water to stop entering inside the house. This is what we call the nubia grass. The nubia grass here, for animals. And from the previous video where I was showing you my chicken project, I do the both. The chickens are for eggs and meat, all that, in order to make the answers. You people, whoever you're watching, subscribe for me, subscribe for me. This is all about the economic. We are doing this, or I'm doing this in order to make the ends meet for my family, and also so the neighbors who are living by, if they get a sharing, they can come and buy the veggies, the nightshades, and so forth and so forth. As you can see, this is the area. That's from where you can see those trees there, those bougainvillea, what do you call them? Those bougainvillean flowers. That's also next to, those are my neighbors, and this is how we stay. As you can see my good people, wherever you are, subscribe, please. Subscribe for me. Subscribe. All this I'm doing for. From here, from this view, my people, you can see my garden. The small kitchen garden. All this is through hard work in order to make the ends meet. Thank you, my people. Wherever you are, subscribe for me. Subscribe, and may good Lord bless you. May God bless you. Greetings from here. This area is referred to as Kibo. It's in a constituency called Dagoretti South. May you be blessed. Subscribe, my people.